Is your Siemens PSC-12M power supply not working properly? We provide expert component level repair solutions. We repair power failures, no output voltage, startup issues, and damaged electronic components. Our experienced engineers perform accurate fault diagnosis and precision component level repairs using advanced diagnostic equipment. Every repaired power supply undergoes comprehensive testing and quality inspection to ensure reliable and dependable performance. Restore your Siemens PSC-12M power supply with our trusted repair service. Contact us today